Most law firms don't have a traffic problem. They have a conversion quality problem. Today, we'll show you how to turn online interest into real, qualified case inquiries. So, how can we help you? Our objective is not only traffic volume, it's conversion quality. First, we need to use a good CTA or call to action. Generic calls to action like contact us or learn more often create hesitation instead of clarity. So, we use good CTA. Next is the core problem. Most firms use a single landing page for all traffic, but not all users arrive with the same intent. This mismatch causes high bounce rates, poor lead quality, and wasted ad spend. Our solution: search traffic and social traffic behave very differently. Google search users are usually decision-ready. They are actively looking for a lawyer right now. Social media users are exploratory. Many are unsure if they even have a valid case. Social media often used for brand awareness. Next is about specific KPIs, what we measure. We track the entire intake journey, from CTA click to call or form start to completion. Then we do our weekly optimization routine. Every week, we apply small, intentional improvements. We review inquiries by channel, analyze friction points, and make one tactical adjustment to improve results. The expected results. The expected outcome is clear: more qualified inquiries, less wasted ad spend, higher return on investment, and better client experience from first click to signed case. We help turn attention into real case inquiries. Thank you for watching.